We'll guide you through how to manage your Figma billing efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Figma website. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the profile icon, which will reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select the settings option. This will take you to your account settings page. Now look at the left-hand side panel and click on billing. This is where you can manage all your billing details. You will see sections for payment methods, invoices, and subscription plans. If you need to update your payment method, click on Add Payment Method and enter your new card details. Make sure you save the changes. To view your past invoices, simply scroll down to the Invoices section, where you can download them as PDFs for your records. If you're considering changing your subscription plan, look for the subscription section at the top here. You can see your current plan and choose to upgrade or downgrade as per your needs. Just click on the Change Plan button and follow the prompts. Remember to review the changes and confirm them to ensure everything's updated correctly. This way, you can keep track of all your billing information in one place and avoid any surprises. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.